Hello everyone. Wanted to go ahead and show you guys how we can make changes to the navigation on our SharePoint site. It's really easy to do. So assuming you have the correct permissions for your site and or page, if you come over to the edit option, which should appear next to your navigation, once you click on it, it'll expand out this sidebar, and this is where we can go ahead and we can add in additional options or additional elements to our navigation. So right now what we want to do is we want to add this test page that we created. And right now it's not showing up on our navigation, so all we have to do is just come over to the place that we want to add it, click on the plus symbol, choose, do we want it to be a label, do we want it to be a link? This is a link, so we'll add that here, add the display name, we'll do test page, and we want it to open up in a new tab, and now it's there. We can also make this a sub-link within one of these other options, elements as well. We could change the order. You could do it by dragging and dropping, or you can click on the ellipsis and do up or down. And you could even make targeted navigation as well if that's something that you want to do. So once we click save, now we have our new test page option.